Everyone loves a delicious surprise. Today we're stuffing pork tenderloin with Manchego magic. First things first, preheat your oven to 220 degrees Celsius or gas mark 7. Lay your 1 kilogram pork loin skin side down and cut 3/4 through lengthways. Open it up like a book and season with sea salt and freshly ground pepper. Now line the center with 175 grams of finely sliced Manchego cheese and 150 grams of membrillo. Sprinkle on the leaves from 1 sage sprig and roll that baby up. Tie it with string every 3 centimeters for a snug fit. Next, in a hob-proof roasting tray, place a thyme sprig, the other sage sprig and a halved head of garlic. Set your pork on top, skin side up, drizzle with olive oil and season generously. Roast at 220 degrees Celsius for 20 minutes until crispy. Then, lower to 180 degrees Celsius and roast for another 50 minutes. Let the pork rest while we make the sauce. Boil 200 milliliters of sherry in the roasting tray, squishing the garlic and removing the herbs. Pour in the meat juices, strain and voila. Carve your tenderloin into thick slices, drizzle with that luscious sauce and enjoy.